In this video, I'm going to show you which website I used to earn this money and I got immediate PayPal withdrawals. That you can see it on my PayPal balance right here. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorial. What if I told you you get paid for free? If you search on Google or if you search on Amazon or eBay, try to find something to buy, you get paid for that. So in this video, I'm going to show you a website which you can make money for free, and I'm going to show you my proof. I nearly earned £200 over on this website, guys. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorial. This website is called creamy.com. So in this website, you're going to get paid for free. So this is my extension on Creamy that already have a balance on here. So what is this website? You can install this extension on your browser. So when you search on Google, there's an ad pop up on the left hand side. When you click that, you get paid. At the same time, you try to buy find something on Amazon or eBay, again the ad pop up on the left hand side. If you click that, you get paid for that. On top of that, you can do surveys and you get paid for that. Simple and easy, guys. There's nothing to worry about it. It will work with your tablets, iPhones or Android phones and your computers. All you have to do is create a free account with it, with a PayPal account, to get paid. Now I'm going to show you my account and how much money I made from this website. Now this is my dashboard. Right now you can see these are the surveys that are available to complete: 11 minutes, 18 minutes and 8 minutes. But I can complete these surveys within 5 minutes and I can make nearly £4 from these surveys. But if I click my balance on here, this is my balance, that you can see my total earning nearly around £241. My cash out is 240 and this is £1.56 in pending. So you can get paid through PayPal or gift card, and it is completely easy to do, guys. All you have to do is go to this website, create a free account and install this Google Chrome extension here. So what happened is you can do the surveys. This Google Chrome extension is active. When you search on Google or Amazon or eBay, the ad will pop up on the left hand side and you click those ads and you get paid for that. And one good thing about this website, there's no minimum payout. Even if you have a 10 cents or 50 cents or £1 or £2 or £100, you can withdraw it fast and easy. So when you click withdraw that amount, so for example, I can show you that. Click this my balance on here. Now I'm going to show you the payout method in live. So this is my balance. Click PayPal. This is where you're going to put your PayPal address. You can type the amount or you can click available balance. Then you're going to click this one for review cash out and you can confirm the cash out. That's it. My balance became 0 and I can open my PayPal account. I can show you the payout, guys. So this is my PayPal balance, £1.56, that available immediately. So I can refresh the page and I will show you this is not a inspect element, that you can see £1.56 on my account. So here, this is the website. You can go here, you can do the service, you can search online and get paid. There's a link in the description. Click that and create your free account with it, guys.